y'all to chill with us, do what we do, and we can get the party started right, okay? Come on. Put your hands to the sky if you're feeling that rhythm drop vibe. Yo! Everybody, put your hands to the sky if you're feeling that rhythm drop vibe. Yo! Everybody, I'm the DJ. Pump rhythm drunk on the freeway. Mic in my hand and I'm playing with the fam, taking it easy. Beat so fat, drum line, crew go, rat-a-tat-tat. Welcome to Rhythm Truck, everybody. Listen, this is the only place in all of Singapore where we drive the beat into the street. Literally. We don't sell ice cream from this thing, but we do have some ice cold treats coming your way. If you're a fan of amazing moves and grooves to get your heart pounded, you're in the right place. Today in the crew, we got E-Money when it's sunny. We got Jaway all day. Yet the Jet, my man Carlo for show, and of course Soul Rock with the pop. I'm DJ, excuse me, yo, bro. Later we'll bang on that drum. Right now, that's too typical. So crew, grab your sticks, switch up the mix, hey, cause this drum gets invisible. Make some noise, y'all. Clap your hands real quick. All right, yeah. Oh man, you guys are awesome. We're gonna have a good time. You guys ready to have a good time? Say yeah! Awesome! All right. So this next bit is what we call the invisible drum kit. And you know why? Cause you can't see this! All right. First up, kicking cymbals. Come on. Okay, snare. Ooh, Tom, see your thing? Yeah, percussion. All right, do it, boys. Fellas, really wait. Seriously. Hit me one time. Now hit me 2 times. Now hit me 3 times. Okay. Give me Phil Collins. Got you with that one. Random, 80ness. I don't know, it's weird. Okay. Yes. Make it happen, son. Drop it like it's hard, drop it like it's hard. Uh-oh. We about to drop the paper. But we say it like this though. On your hustle, yo. Let's go. One more. Yeah. Rock the show. Wow, fantastic. Come on. Fantastic. Y'all ready to rumble? People, make some noise! All right, let's get a clean fight. Come on, fight! Run it up! Back on the street. Yeah! Took my time, took my chance. Dude, fight him. Oh, just get street. Okay,
faster, stronger.
So, my question is, if you're ready for some more fun, let me hear you say yeah! Okay. While we're getting everything set up, we have a huge crowd. I want to know where everybody's from. So, I'm just going to yell out some countries. If you're from there, make some noise. Let's see. Do we have anybody from Philippines? Philippines, make some noise! Yes! Mabuhay! Kamusta ka? Not enough? Okay. They got all that. I'm sorry you had to see that. All right, how about anybody from India? India, make some noise. Oh, India's in the house. Namaste, Manakam, Chalo, I guess. I don't know. Nice. All right, what am I missing? Let me see. Carla, who you going for? Okay, right, bro, put on. Korea. Okay, that was, welcome. Annyeonghaseyo, mother, father, gentleman. Just yell it out. Where? I heard somebody yell. Where? From where? Who are you screaming at? This is weird. Okay, let's make this really easy on me. If you're not from Singapore, make some noise! Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. This is awesome. Okay. We got up enough volunteers. This is gonna be good times. Okay, you brought your own cheering section. Killer Beat, let's get into it. Okay, guys, this is what we call the break beat battle. It's really dangerous, so I need absolute silence. This is what happens. 2 people enter, 1 person leaves. And then the second person leaves later. It's not that dangerous. I'm just being silly. Okay, let's meet. Hi, what's your name?
Why?
Why? Because I'm asking nicely. What's your name, please? No, wait, say it again. What's your name? When? Now, tell me your name. No, it's when? When? Wait, who? What? Okay, whatever. Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
We're from the Philippines! All right, do it with me. Okay, enough. Stop. Hey, bro, what's your name? Mansur. And where are you from?
India.
Mansur from India! Yeah! Nice. Okay, do it with me. Okay, stop. Okay, guys, you're gonna love this. Super simple, super easy. First round, follow the leader. So, he's gonna give you a beat. Pop, pop, pop. You follow. Pop, pop, pop. Easy, right? Same thing for you. He's gonna give you a beat. Pop, tap, 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 and you follow.
Oh, yeah.
No, I'm joking, don't. Just do whatever he does. Everybody else, you just sit there and look at me like I'm the cutest thing you've ever seen. Perfect. Thank you. To the rest of you, my mother loves me. All right, crew, are you ready? People, are you ready? Let's do the do, baby. Come on. Hit it. All right. When you go first, do everything he does. In 3, 2, 1. Go. That was a little scary. I think she's got some anger issues to work out. All right, let me hear it next. In 3, 2, 1, hit it. Do exactly what he did. That was so lackluster. You could do better than that. Okay. Let's step it up a little bit. Give him another chance. Come on. 2, 1, hit it. Go. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna give it to him. No, he tried. You can't beg and terrorist. Wait, what? Oh, you want to get them on? Okay. How about this, guys? We're gonna get everybody involved. We need you to clap your hands. Just repeat after Carlo, okay? You two keep banging on the drums. Just do it after Carlo. Carlo, make it happen. Clap! Clap! Together. Faster. Faster. Oh, yeah! That is how we get it done! All right, you know what? We're gonna do to do backflip? No. Okay. What about front flip? You know how to? No, none of that. Can you spin on your head? You're making this really difficult for us all. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna give you some better music. You just try your best, forget the rest. You dance however you want to dance, okay? Okay? Just give it a go. Come on, y'all, give her a round of applause. Give her some support. Woo! All right, here we go. Try this. In 3, 2, yeah, clap for her. 3, 2, 1. Are you challenging him? All right, bro. Those are the rules. Come on out. You can't deny a challenge. Come on. Listen. I won't leave you hanging. I'm assuming with your very comfy casual shoes, you're not going to do any backflips either, huh? Okay. I'll do the same deal. I'll give you a better beat to dance to, okay? Just try your best, okay? Here we go. Come on, everybody. Give him a round of applause. Give him some encouragement. Here we go. All right. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Let's bring it down. Okay. Obviously, we had some amazing performers up here. Even the kids on the drums were spectacular. So, I gotta pick a winner. This is gonna be tough. All things considered, I think everybody wins! Give them a round of applause. Thank you very much. You guys have been amazing. That's how we get it done. That's how we have fun. All right. So my question is, did you guys have fun? Say yeah! Awesome sauce. All right, the fun's not done yet. We got a little more something coming your way. Just got a question for my crew. Crew, are you